Yo, what up? It's another effect change episode. Chan here. We don't have a symbol yet. We don't have a cool symbol. Oh yeah, Lup made a good point. We actually do have a video, a symbol. It's that. Anyway, let's get into it. Today we're on a special set. Check it out, how beautiful is this house? It's credit to Dean and Peter. Thanks guys for letting us film on your wonderful location. I'm hanging here with the homie Jimmy. Say what up, Jimmy. Jimmy says what up. Jimmy did something amazing today. Tell him, Jimmy. Tell him. Jimmy did a poo. How many poos do you reckon you do a year, Jimmy? Well, according to the ABC, a medium-sized dog poos around 180 kilos of dog poo a year. It's crazy. How much poo do you reckon you do, Jimmy? Yeah, I reckon around 60 to 70 kilos. That's like my weight in dog poo. And how do people normally pick up that dog poo? Have a think about what you do at home. I reckon most people use a plastic bag. So we reached out to Anya, and big up to the team, Donna and the amazing Hayley and all you fantastic people for being our first affiliates too. And they gave us these dog poo bags, these Anya disposable dog poo bags. So we're gonna go pick up Jimmy's poo in a minute. But before we do that, I'll talk to you a little bit about how this actually works. So it's a fantastic little carry pouch. It's got a little carabiner, as with most Anya things. So you can just clip it onto your lead, right, or your belt, depending on how intense a dog trainer you are. You might be one of those dog trainers that walk around with a pouch and like feed your dog constantly. I find that really intimidating, but you know, power to you. It comes with a little tag that tells you all about what these bags are about. So they're 100% certified compostable. They're made from plant-based materials. They're certified B Corporation, and they're certified compostable to Australian, USA, European and Japanese standards with no microplastic residue. So great work on you. Let's open it up and have a look at these fantastic bags. You get 30 in a pack, all right, when you buy through our affiliate link below. And what I like about it is they feel really good. And they feel so good because they break down easy. But also, a quick tip with these, because they're so good at breaking down, you have to use them within 3 to 6 months because otherwise they'll break down. Another tip, they are designed for industrial composting facilities, but your compost still heats up. And if you have a separate compost bin for your dog poo, you can pop these in there and they'll break down over time. And I recommend a separate compost bin because you don't want to use that compost in your veggie gardens, because even though it gets really hot and kills off a lot of bacteria, better to be safe than sorry. But yeah, these will still break down in your compost bin, just not as effective as if it was in an industrial composting facility. So instead of taking a few weeks, it might take 6 months to a year. You might be thinking, well, then what's the point of buying this? Well, the alternative is a plastic bag. And as you found out in a prior video, plastic bags will break down anywhere from 15 years to 1,000 years. So personally, I'd rather break them down in 1 year than 1,000 years. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Check out this really cool picture it has telling you what it's all about. So it says it's cornstarch based. So for all you palm oil haters, it's not made from palm oil. So you can sleep at peace. It's a really cool picture as well. I really like it. So let's open one up and check out what's in it. So, like I said, it feels really nice. It's got a fresh green color, which I really like. And it's about my hand width. So I reckon if you've got a big dog as well, it'll get that poo nice and easy. And it's quite deep. So I have never seen a dog poo that would go all the way up here. Like that's some serious dog pooing. And it's really cool because it's got a little symbol saying this is an earth-friendly compostable bag, which I really like. Right? It talks about the qualities of it down the bottom. So it mentions that it's industrially compostable. It mentions the company that compost it. So it is a bioplastics company, but like I said before, it's completely plant-based. Let's go test it out on Jimmy's poo. Bing, I just teleported outside. It's a gorgeous day out here. Let's pick up the poo. Check it out. So straight away, I've done the standard poo bag hand strategy. Dun 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 dun. That was pretty easy. Yeah, my hands are clean. Poo's in the bag. No residue at the top because it's nice and big. Makes for easy picking up. And then, quick way to tie it. As just that. So there you go. Dog poo bag reviewed. I'd chuck this in the landfill if I didn't have a compost. It's still better than using a plastic bag. And like I said, just about get any size dog poo in here, so it'll do the job. Click on our affiliate link below. Shout out to Donna and the team for setting that up. John and Jimmy out. Have a good one.